Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, my name is debbarma, the owner of the Intellection. Today I am very delightful to sharing a story which is based on lion and mouse. It is very interesting story that you might be uh, heard about this story, but the story and the things ultimately that which is the most important things that ultimately we get the moral, we get the lesson. That is the most important things. We have to learn and we have to know something about the moral and valuable, which is very very important and which is very necessary for us as a human being. If we are going to live in this world, so that we need a lesson. Now we are as a student, so obviously now we have to be learn and we got the opportunity from whatever we have study and all. So this is the most important things. So as well as the thing is that I'm going to share you the one story which is based on, as I'm saying to you, lion and mouse. Okay, without wasting time, let's going to share. I'm going to telling you with the Kokborok language. Hambai pilihan no, hingke norok pilihan jempai tak zora kena witong ni, angbai baksake. Fadi seng seterusnya seng kena lanya. Abongka ang normal sama ni hai lion bai. Mouse sungsai mana na mouse abongka shinjo fadi seng kena lain belai ke interesting tongo zora kaiso belai ke satung tungmani zora dibor hayota kaisa bolong ni raja no hinnai singho bolong kutugo ke aram ke bothui tongo afro no kaisa sikon sa shinjo seklegi singho ni sakati barai thango tamoke afro singho thui tongmani singho afro thui tongmani distab ngjagai bo thumani sijawai thangka shinjo nugi belai kheno shinjo nugi belai kheno joli jaka tei bono bothana naikha piaba shinjo afro nakar mung sanka tei kogrika jefru nang belai no jengjalo kelai tongka hingke ang no afro chubawana hane hake singko bini okong rona khana wai belai kheno bo mustada kata mani impression kha tei bono bo tharlia phiogi rohorka salja singko sikare khlanya rongni jalo kjaka afro singho belai khe sakta naikha bini jorate o jalni yogna bagai haibano yogai manliya bo belai kheno kirijagai suamung sanai chiri khogai kapkha aboni agolo bini sokoroma tei bini khoram nokna oi afro shinjo bono phiokna bagai phaigya tei nokha singhono belai kheno kirijagai tongmani bo belai kheno jingjalo klaijak bo bono nugai bini bo kasajak o jalno bo warkha bini buah belai kheno kubuk aw bai ke bo warkha tei bo bono phiok ngirikha afro ni simin hingke borok khorok nei dol kaham ngi thangka aw moral eba srengmung jeng tau mankha okothmani bisingtei awar mano nangkungmani kokothmangkha kindness eba khairokmu no matter jesepano nangsikon ngi tongdi tamokhe belubel abo sob samunyo tongnai tamokhe kacha kok nang nini kok rimani abono nang break ta khadi you should not break the from it. That is the main important things. Thank you very much norong nai tong bagai bulan jem paitak zora belai khanang hambai mari norong no khanai tong di tei norong ani video no chaja khangke like support khanya tapok di subscribe khadi nang joduna ani channel ko ta tong hangke. Once again, thank you very much.